Hi guys!
My name is Dea Tanita Kaban.
My name is Ibnu Ghozali.
And my name is Fadhlillah Alkayyisu.
We are from Baking and Pastry Art 1A.
Now, we are going to show you how to make colorful Indonesian mooncake dusted with icing sugar.
First, we are going to tell you about this product.
It is a sweet, chewy, and fudgy cake.
It consists of finely mashed sweet red bean and steamed colorful sticky rice shell.
It's sprinkled with icing sugar.
This video is made as one of our English final project. We hope you enjoy it!
First, the steamer is prepared and the water is boiled. Second, the glutinous rice flour is mixed with salt. Third, the hot water is added and the dough is stirred with spoon until crumble. Fourth, the sugar and coconut cream are added. The dough is kneaded by hand until form a clay-like dough.
Fifth, the dough is divided and the food coloring and flavoring are added. Sixth, the skin and filling are weighted 1 to 1, depending on the mooncake mold. For example, the mooncake is 50 grams, so the skin dough is 25 grams and the filling is 25 grams. 7. The skin is lined to the oiled and dusted form. The paste filling is inserted to the lined skin and the top is covered with the skin dough.
8. The molded dough is placed in the steamer. They are steamed for 8 to 10 minutes. Nine, the form is removed and the Indonesian mooncake is dusted with icing sugar.